the great impact of digital learning in education have introduced this to their schools. To this effect, the Kwara State Government, under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, through Kwara SUBEB, headed by Professor Adaramaja, is establishing digital literacy centers (DLC) across primary and junior secondary schools in the state so that our children can meet up with their counterparts in the developed countries. The Digital Literacy Center is a part of the Kwara Educational Transformation Agenda, QUETA, as initiated by the Governor of Kwara State, Governor Abdulrahman Abdulrazak. Over 30 public schools benefited from the first batch of this establishment of Digital Literacy Center initiative, each school with 25 computers. Digital learning in education as introduced by Kwara State Government will help to enhance students' skills, increase students' engagement, improve group work, make learning flexible and interesting. The Digital Literacy Center (DLC) is a solar-powered, internet-enabled computer center that is fully secured and installed within the school premises of over 30 public schools across the state. The center has the capacity to help students within the school have access to the digital world to enable them to compete globally. The DLC is enabled with a homegrown software that enables students to learn across all classes using the Nigerian curriculum and prepared for all examinations in Nigeria, including Common Entrance, JSCE, WAS, and JAMB. The applications, empowered with over 50,000 question and answers, also grant students access to external examinations within and outside the DLC. The DLC application also gives students the age to learn and create projects on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. All this includes coding, robotics, and other soft skills. Considering the magnitude of investment that has been put into the DLC, the government through Kwara SUBEB found it needful to empower the teachers with a capacity building training and support to manage the student in effectively using the application. A 3-day training tagged Digital Literacy for Educators was organized and a 6-month online support. The training started on 26th of September. The training, which held at the 3 of the DLCs, housed about 90 teachers across schools in Kwara State. The training started on Monday 26 September and ended on Wednesday 28 September 2022. United Junior Secondary School, Taiwo Road, Ilorin South. Boranuddin LGEA Primary School, Ojagboro, Ilorin East, and Bakata LGEA Primary School, Bakata, Ilorin West. During the training, the teachers were exposed to computer literacy / maintenance, Kwasubeb DLC application, personal development / career guidance, extracurricular STEM courses, digital educational tools. Teachers also had practical sessions where they were not only taught to use the application and tools, but also practiced themselves. The officials of Kwara SUBEB went round the training centers to monitor the exercise. Questions were entertained from the participants and they were adequately addressed. On the 3rd day of the program, all the trained educators and security officials met with the SUBEB officials for the grand finale of the program. At the end of the training, the teachers were certified and provided with supports for a 6-month access to enable them use and manage the application.
I gain a lot of things about this program. How to use Slido to create quiz questions, how to use how to connect my phone to browse on the system.
I really appreciate the Kwara State Government for introducing this kind of program to us. It's really helpful. What I really gain from this program, because one, I learn how to get resources using this DLC, and also monitor the kids or the learner in everything that they do. I really appreciate them.
I want to firstly appreciate our governor and the entire government and the work team, and also Professor Adaramaja for giving us the opportunity to learn in order to foster education in the entire government, in the entire Kwara State. And we also want to appreciate them for this opportunity, for bringing on to us things that can actually help us in the teaching and learning process.
So to the organizer, the consultant that has been handling something, they have so performed wonderfully. They give a free hand for us to express our mind, to test run the applications, to know where they are lacking, and promise to improve on the system.
This program is all about learning of pupils concerning the digital literacy, because we are now in technology arena. So it's good and it's great for our pupils to learn about this technology. They have to know how to do with computing something. Is something that is very great, and we appreciate them for bringing this project to Kwara State.
We thank the government of this state, the superb, and the facilitators. We thank them for the what they have done. They really try for us.
We want to thank the executive governor of Kwara State and the chairman, superb, Professor Shehu Adaramaja, for this laudable seminar being given to the class teacher and some of the MS officers in each of the local governments in Kwara State. And this program is very laudable program that will assist and has great impact on the teachers and the learners as well. If the government can follow the due process in ensuring each teacher is being forced in using or put in place to use this system or these gadgets that have been put in place for each of the schools uses in Kwara State. So it's a good program, and we appreciate those behind this good and lovely project.
We appreciate the Kwara State government and the chairman, Subeb, Professor Adaramaja, for this initiative. We appreciate that for the thought they have towards the children, that we pray it will be fulfilled. We really appreciate them, and even the facilitator, we appreciate them, and the session has been very interactive. It's all about teaching and learning, using the computer to teach, to facilitate teaching and learning. And in the practical session we have had, there are some textbooks that have been uploaded in the system, in which learners will not have to go out to go and buy textbooks, but once the teacher open, they will see the available textbooks in the system. And even the assignments, like most of the learners, they like to be on social media, they would like to be online. Even staying on the system and with the materials that have been uploaded in the system, they can stay there 24 hours learning without being bored. And I want to use this opportunity to challenge my co-teachers that to whom more is given, more is expected. We should put in our best. This is one of the factors that can motivate us to work with, because if you are working and you have a friendly environment to work, you have good materials to work, I bet it with you the other things will come. So I want to encourage them, they should utilize the opportunity very well.